Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 AI-based image editing tools for graphic designers. With the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning technology, graphic designers now have access to a variety of powerful tools that can help them create stunning visuals in less time and with less effort. These image editing tools are designed to enhance creativity, streamline workflows, and automate tedious tasks. So, if you're a graphic designer looking to take your work to the next level, stay tuned as we explore the best AI-based image editing tools on the market today. Let's Enhance.io. Let's Enhance provides a seamless solution for those seeking to improve their personal or business images. The AI design software can resize pictures in any format, making them clear and sharp. With Let's Enhance, users can easily enhance the resolution, colors, or lighting of their images, meet pixel requirements, and make them look more professional. For real estate images, users can upscale, unblur, and automatically edit interior shots for listings using ML-powered HDR. Moreover, the software automatically corrects overexposed and poorly lit images, making them more visually appealing. Let's Enhance makes enhancing images simple, efficient, and convenient. Chroma.co. Colors play a critical role in image editing, determining the quality of a design. To achieve the perfect blend of colors, designers require the assistance of an AI-based design tool. One such tool is Chroma, which creates infinite color palettes based on a user's preferences. By analyzing data on the user's preferred color tones, Chroma suggests different color combinations that can be applied to text, backgrounds, and other image elements. The software can be trained by feeding it with 50 favorite colors, creating an algorithm that produces colors the user likes and avoids those they don't. Chroma utilizes a neural network-powered algorithm that has been trained using tens of thousands of human-made palettes found online to produce fantastic color combinations that can be viewed as topography, gradients, palettes, or custom images. Additionally, users can conduct a color search and add their favorite combinations to a collection. With Chroma, designers can accentuate precise color combinations and enhance their masterwork with ease. RemoveBG. RemoveBG is an AI tool that can revolutionize the way you approach image editing. The tool can quickly and easily remove the background from PNG images or add white backgrounds to your photos in just a few clicks. RemoveBG has seamless integration with popular design programs, e-commerce sites, and computer environments, making it an easy addition to your workflow. By using RemoveBG, graphic designers can reduce their editing time, allowing them to focus on creating impactful and creative designs. Whether you want to create stunning greeting cards or quickly edit thousands of car photos, RemoveBG can help you achieve your goal. Autodraw. Autodraw is a revolutionary drawing tool that leverages machine learning and original artwork from skilled artists to help users create graphic designs swiftly. This tool is easily accessible as it works across all devices and platforms without any downloads or charges. The suggestion feature of Autodraw employs QuickDraw's technology to recognize what you are trying to draw. The system can currently predict hundreds of drawings, and the developers plan to expand this list further in the future. With Autodraw, you can create visually appealing designs quickly and easily, regardless of your level of artistic ability. Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei harnesses the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance creativity, streamline processes, provide valuable insights, and facilitate real-time decision-making. Sensei enables you to create customized experiences that anticipate and meet customers' needs. You can utilize Sensei to transform customer data into valuable insights, automate content curation, personalize campaigns dynamically, and much more. Adobe Sensei is built on a scalable platform, making it easy for you to grow and expand your AI-powered experiences to keep pace with your business's evolving needs.